Hi, managing stock takes at a lot of locations can be tricky, or integrating with third-party systems. But this is where our new Shopify Flow integration comes in. Let's see how it works. Previously, we set up a schedule stock takes flow to automatically create stock takes once a month. But we can also trigger events to happen when a stock take has been completed and all the inventory has been adjusted. Let's create a new workflow, select a trigger. We can see we've got the stock take trigger when it's complete. This will tell you all the information about that stock take. So it will include whether it's an ad hoc adjustment or not, the location information, the name, and we can take any actions we want off this. So for example, if we want to generate a report, we can generate a number of reports. We have the ability to see what the currently available stock is. We can create adjustment reports so we can see what changes were made. We can get the counts from this stock take, or we can get all the scans information, and you can do this all automatically. Let's create a stock take adjustments report so we can see the changes that we made. We'll add a variable, go to the stock take, select the ID, and this will generate us a URL to download a stock take report. We can then email it to ourselves, or we can use a HTTP action in Shopify Flow to download the data. So for example, let's set this up. Add the variable of the URL to download. We'll keep it as a GET request. And then what we'll do is create another action and email the contents of this link to ourselves. Call the email stock take adjustments and include the data that we had from that HTTP request. That will be the CSV file containing all the adjustments. You can, of course, send this URL to third-party systems if you want to integrate with other systems such as ERPs, or email the link to yourselves. Be aware that the link does expire after 2 hours, so you need to make sure you're doing this in a timely manner. But you can automate any other actions off the end of a stock take completing as well, such as emailing yourself or any other actions available in Shopify Flow. And that's our new integration.